All right, let's see what's going on in here. Hey, good morning, Bo. How are you doing, bud?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Doing good, doing good, doing good. Just seeing what you're up to.
Just getting the cameras ready.
Getting ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna walk in here and see what's going on in the office. It'll be a beautiful day, a little cloud cover, but it's gonna be in the 70s today. We can't complain about that. See what's going on here in the office. What's happening with you, sir?
Just answering calls, man.
Answering them?
Yup. Sending out, calling out leads.
Gotcha. Lexi's coming in today. Was she scheduled off?
I'm not sure, to be totally honest with you.
Oh, okay.
I'm not aware.
Yeah. I wasn't either. That's what I was asking. Looks like Caitlin's got her hands full, so we'll come back to Caitlin in a couple of minutes. She's dealing with a client, with a customer, or a client with a service tech. So she's discussing that. So we'll go on back out here. We got to head to a job site. We'll do some quick videos here with Bo grading, and then we're going to head down to Clinton. Alrighty. And we'll talk to you guys soon.
A few moments later.
Alrighty. We're pulling up to the job site today. And Clinton. Take a look here. It looks like a cable.
Yeah, they cut already.
Cut it?
Yeah.
Is it dead cable?
I don't know if it's there or there's a new one cut.
That's going to happen, you know, for anybody. Especially if it's not that deep.
Yeah, it's not that deep.
It happens. Nah, nobody likes to cut wire. Is that what you said?
No, that's the one we had to bring him in the main wall.
Oh, okay,
For the
okay.
2 zones there.
2 zones.
Yeah, it's
You coming this way or you going that way?
Yeah, I think so. For using machine, we already came right here, but we already see a lot of roots in there.
Yeah.
I don't know if the machine that's gonna.
Might have to pre-plow it, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got 2 zones back here?
Yeah, 2 zones back there.
Okay.
That's why we need one in the main wall all the way to the corner right now,
Uh-huh.
and they put the 2 zones in there.
Gotcha. 2 zones to 3, 4, 2.
4.
That's right, I see it now. Yep.
Yeah.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the yellow's over here.
Yellow and the white.
Yeah. Okay. You putting the PVB on there?
Yeah, I think so. We already put a PVB there because we don't have any space.
Yep. The plumber's doing that.
Yeah, it's really tight. And we already got a lot of, it's already 2 connections inside.
Yeah. Well, the plumber's allowed up to 5 feet on the PVB in PG County, so.
I think so the
Yeah.
PVB is all the way to the white here.
Yeah.
Go down.
You're allowed that.
Yeah, it goes down.
Hey, Karina.
Hi, Mr. Bell.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Good, good, good. So you got 2 zones out back. And how many you got here? 4? 5 total?
Yeah, it's 5 total.
So you got a red, blue, and green? Okay.
Got your mic on?
You do now. You got me?
Yep. Gotcha.
Got dueling cameras?
Dueling cameras, yes. You gotta stand on that side so that I have the job site in the background when you go talk to me.
Oh my gosh.
But you can't have that recording while.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to turn it off here in a minute.
Are you done? You don't have to be done. You give Dan as much footage as you want.
Dan, I'm gonna give you as much footage as you want.
Teleporter!
Oh, here, Dodenton. How you doing, Nort? Doing good? Doing good. Get some later one here. Get it skimmed out a little bit. It was good to get all this organized.
Yeah. I think Mr. Fred is very excited, ready to get it done.
Absolutely. Hey, Norty, I'll talk to Mr. Woods. We'll take these 2 out. Put 2 4-foot, 4-tube fluorescent lights in here, or LEDs.
Okay.
Not fluorescent LEDs. It's funny how things evolved over the years. So we got a pod coming. They're gonna back it in with the door facing this way for security, and we're gonna take all the belongings here from the homeowner, put it into the pod and lock it up while we're working here this week. So that'll make it sweet. That'll give us a whole lot more room to work. Belongings will be out and locked up in a controlled environment, so I don't want to worry about getting it wet or anybody bothering it. And that'll be good. We got a sprinkler we're doing in Clinton for Clinton. We've got a lot of repairs going on today. We've got a lighting install going on.
Oh, wow.
All kind of projects going on.
Okay. All right.
Alrighty, we're in Millersville on an outdoor lighting job. Outdoor lighting job. Outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting. Hey, Grady, how many path lights were around the pool? 12, I think, wasn't it?
It's 12 total. I'm not sure if there's any out front, but these two stems here are the 80J adjustable stems.
Okay.
I think you need to leave some slack. I have to have Jeff come back through here. And
Yeah, which is
leave
nice.
A little more wires.
Which are nice if you got some perennials or annuals. The height
bring them up
changes,
and down.
makes it nice.
And then we're putting the 160-inch 5-foot stem in the middle right back here.
I got you. Water's coming up to speed. I checked mine yesterday, it was 65.
Doing good.
So it's coming up. Last week it was 57 on that cold, rainy weather we had. So it's starting to come up. So you had path lights here. You had how many uplights?
5 BL200s, 3 downlights.
Okay.
I think all the uplights are out front.
Okay. Let's take a peek at that. Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're just getting back from a job site up in Millersville. Life of a contractor. Always something going on. That's why it's always fun and exciting to get out of bed every morning. We'll talk to you guys next week. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.